Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to take screenshots in Windows 11. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to search menu and type a snipping tool. Click on open it. In here you need to select a new option, and in this drop down you can see different options. Rectangle option, click on it and it will be take a rectangle image screenshot. After taking the screenshot, you just need to right click on it and select save as to save this to your PC. Select save option to save it. If you want a full screen screenshot, then you just need to click on the new and click on this drop down and select full screen. And now it has been take the full screen, guys. You just need to right click on it and select save as and save it to your system. And if you want a window screenshot, then you just need to select the new option and click on the drop down and select the window option, and you can take a window screenshot, guys. And if you want a free form screenshot, then you just need to click on it and just click on in mouse like this to take a screenshot like a free form. You can do this for any items you want in picture, and just right click on it and save as option and just save it to your PC. And if you want to open this snipping tool with the keyboards, then you just need to press in keyboard Windows Shift plus S key together to open up this snipping tool. Whenever you are playing game or anything, suddenly want to take a screenshot, then you just need to click on the drop down and select the full screen option to take a full screen screenshot. And the full screen screenshot will be saved in File Explorer Pictures, and here you can able to see screenshots folder. Here it is, guys. All screenshots will be saved in here. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.